What's up, food lovers? Welcome to the show. I'm Tony Tuton, and today is Football Nation Day. Fun in the Sunday. So today, fun football recipe episode. Today I have a chicken lollipop recipe for you. It's very easy and simple to do. I'll have 3 different type of flavors. You can do any flavor you want, but I'll show you how to cut the chicken so it'll turn into a lollipop. So let's get to cooking, right? But first, if you like this recipe and you like my style, you like my flavors, so push the like button, consider subscribing, and ring that bell for notification. So let's go get to cooking. Let's go. So here we go, guys. We're already here. We cleaned the legs, 12 legs here, 12 for each flavor. We got the barbecue sauce, all 3 different type of barbecue sauce. We got black pepper and garlic salt. All right, now let's get to prepping it up. What we want to do is we want to cut this bottom part, make it even, so it will stand like this, just like that. Without cutting it, it won't stand. Then after that, we're gonna go around the legs, cut around the legs, the bone. I'm gonna cut around the bone like this. Then we pull this over the cartilage. It's gonna be tough. Just like that. Use the knife to help. Clean it up real good. See, with these bones, don't throw it away. Clear the side for chicken stock. Just like that. See? Chicken lollipop. Easy. So here we go, guys. We all finished cutting it up. Nice presentation here. Now we're gonna put it back into the bowl. And then we're gonna marinate it. All we're doing is garlic, salt, some garlic salt on there, and some black pepper. Mix it up. About a tablespoon each. So we're gonna mix it up, then we're gonna let it sit for an hour, let everything, marinate. So now we're gonna let this sit and marinate. We'll be right back, all right? Hold on. All right, guys, after an hour of marinating this chicken, we're gonna pan this pan up. Put the foil down so it'll be easier to clean. So we're gonna just stand it up like this. So just put it on here. Just like that. Presentation is key. What's up, guys? I just finished the last coating on the chicken lollipop. I did 3 total coating. So every coating I put another 15 minutes on it, and then it should be the last 15 minutes here. Only got a few more minutes to bake. We're gonna take it out. We're gonna test the inside for 165 degrees. That means it's cooked. But in the meantime, I wanna share with y'all this beautiful slate board my cousin bought for me. She bought it off an Instagram page called MorningWoodWorksNOLA. This is a beautiful creation of my Saints label. You can get any team you want, or you can get any design you want on there. I'll have it in the description below where you can get it. And then if you do get it, make sure you give me some credit for it. All right? So we're gonna wait for the next few minutes for the chicken to bake, and then we're gonna plate it on here. All right, we'll be right back. So here we go, guys. We are finally finished. So excited. Here is my slate board with a different type of chicken on there, different flavor, all 3 different flavor. Best for tailgating, game day, or any type of party. So I'm gonna take one. This looks good and juicy. Taste test, first bite. Super delicious, so barbecue. This barbecue has a sweetness and a little kick to it. Perfect. So good. That's so good, guys. Slow cook, 350 degrees. Cook for like an hour and 30 minutes. Still juicy, tender. The sauce is nice and thick. So good. Let's try another one, guys. Let's do this one. See that nice barbecue layer all the way around. We coated like 3 times. Cooked it for an hour and a half at 350 degrees. All right. This barbecue is so good. This is my first time trying it. I think we bought it at Trader Joe's. It's delicious. Barbecue is on there nice and thick. Can't complain about this. This is so good. Awesome for bar parties. Awesome for football games. You have to try it. If you do try it out, make sure you comment below and let me know what you think about it. And if you like this recipe and you like the way I cook, please give me a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and ring that notification bell, all right? Until next time, stay safe and party on. All right, bye.